The dental hygiene program is very science heavy. There's a lot of anatomy involved, a lot of chemistry is involved, and then once you get past your prerequisites and into the main program, then you start applying it to how does this knowledge apply to my patients.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good.
Good. My name is Amy. I'm one of the instructors here. I'm just going to go over everything that Jade has done this afternoon, okay?
So this is a huge benefit to our students that we have a dental clinic. A lot of other facilities around the state do not have a clinic like ours. We have 16 operatories. We have digital radiography. We have intraoral cameras that the students can use.
Sit up.
I was really excited. I'm a little bit older than some of my classmates. I'm in my 30s and I was ready just for a career change. I needed something that was going to be more stable. You can't go wrong in the medical field. There's always going to be people. People are always going to have mouths. So there's definitely a demand for our career, and it's also financially rewarding.
The demand for dental hygienists is huge across the nation. It's not just a Florida or a Lee County issue.
Our students are lucky enough that when they graduate from this program, they will have seen over 100 different mouths. That's pretty impressive. A lot of other programs, you don't even come close to that. So that's a huge advantage to our students when they're leaving here, that before they're even going to private practice, they've already worked with over 100 patients.
I learned a lot about how to be professional, because I think that's super important. They do everything by the book, and if you're looking to be the best version of yourself as a hygienist, this is the place to be.
My first day of work, I had the patient. I was nervous, but I knew everything what to do. There was no hesitation. I felt prepared and I felt ready to do my job. And I felt like coming here to FSW with the professors, the faculty, the staff, everybody's so caring and they want to have you succeed. And I feel like this is honestly the best program in Florida. I love this program.